Kev's Defender project on tour. Today we're at the Land Rover Owners International show at the East of England showground near Peterborough. So all the fun stuff's that way. You can see there's a bunch of Land Rovers here already. So we're going to go and find some cool stuff. Let's go and have a look.
You're only doing winch challenging, you could buy a vehicle as long as you've got a roll cage. You'd buy a second-hand one that's already been competed with probably and got a lot of stuff on it. That'll be the cheapest way. To build one from scratch, you're into sort of 30 plus grand, I would say. You do see them around for sale and sort of 10, 15 grand, you know, and they're a good entry-level vehicle to go have some fun with.
Yeah. And how many events a year do you put on?
Well, we're leaving now. We've had a great day. We've seen some great rock climbing. We've seen the new bowler, and yeah, heading back. Next time you see me, I'll be in the workshop working on something else interesting on my Land Rover. But until then, have fun, don't do anything dangerous, and see you next time.